Good morning! Today, magtatanim tayo ng durian. This variety is called Musang King. So, meron tayong 7 trees na dadalhin sa farm. And we're gonna plant this later today. Malalaki na yung seedlings natin. Yan. So we're now at the farm. So andito na tayo. So ito na yung mga seedlings natin. Ito 7 Musang King seedlings. So today we're gonna plant all these trees. So in a bit we'll prepare the whole basal fertilizer. Kailangan palinisin yung area natin. So before, this area is full of Lanzones trees, probably around mga 30 plus trees. Pinutol natin lahat because these are native na variety and yung hulo, and these are low value crops. So now we're going to plant yung we'll be replacing it with Musang King durian. Next, basal fertilizer. Musang King planting.
Musang.
Basal fertilizer is a mix of dolomite, micronutrients, diammonium phosphate, and Yara Complete. Topsoil. More fertilizer on top. After planting our tree, we'll add more fertilizers on top. Same combination pa rin yun nilagay natin sa basal. So, just additional lang nutrients for our new seedling. There you go. Good morning once again. So we're here in the farm, and let's talk about farm upgrade. So ito yung basically i-upgrade natin yung farm natin from mga low value crops to convert it into high value na mga crops. So what we did today is nagplant tayo ng mga Musang King durian trees. We have 9 Musang King na planted today, and basically yung mga low value na mga lanzones, we cut it down siguro mga 30 plus din to give way to the new high value crops. So okay lang, we have to taste muna for the next 3 to 5 years, as long as we take care of these new trees, and mabubunga rin naman yan. So tsaga lang ng konti, fertilize, pruning, weeding and everything. So durian for lunch. Native durian. After 4 or 5 years, Musang King na. So ngayon, native lang muna.
Pinakulog daw, silipis ko na. Ames? Ha?
May kayo.
Native ng bukid ni.
Pait-pait.
Durian.
So good.
Ini kalau native kaya makahod ka kabuok ba?
Kaya kayo.
Siya ko, native. Hot na ko kabuok yun.
This is the best durian, native.
Bisa nih penugan. Durian apa? Isi dengan butong.
Take home durian and buko.
Durian native.
Native durian for take home.
Yan.
Yes, thank you.